My beautiful friends, let's get started. Tap on this to claim it and click on the claim button. And now let's go to the next, and which is this one right here. So click on play. That's going to bring us here. So what we're going to be doing as before is to drag the right ones into the empty boxes. So follow me closely. Drag this one into the first box. So it's going to be drag this into the first box, then followed by this one right here into the second box, which is this, into the second box, then followed by this one right here into the third box, this into the third box, and finally we go with this one into the last box, this into the last box. So it is time to check our accuracy. You click on the check button, and obviously we are correct, 100%, 6.3 million coins. So click on the claim button, and it doesn't stop there. Log into your dashboard, go to the pets section, and then scroll down to this place right here and continue our streak. Click on the play to collect this. Okay, play, and that is it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it for this video. It's your guy Ken, signing off for now.